Hi guys, today we're gonna be obviously playing MSP. You see what I'm doing? That's so Gucci. We're psych. We're not gonna play Movie Star for a minute. Let's get fun. I'm John. On my screen. So, okay, sorry guys. There's a lot of things here, so no one can happen to the VRC. And go say hi to Squishies and Morris channel. No. Where did the chips go? I want some pretzels. I want pretzels.
Apparently they were missing.
Pretzels! We live in Canada. We're gonna be we live at 967 View Avenue. Well, she sometimes comes over. She's not my sister. Well, she is. Well, she's not. She is. But we were gonna make slime last night at 3 a.m. but it didn't end up working. And pass me those pretzels. They're right there. Give me them pretzels. What you gonna do with that dessert? Duh, I'ma eat it. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Do ba do dee da ba da da da. Got it. And go follow my Musical.ly and Eliza's. Mine's Maya Hartwick 1, and Eliza's is.
What did you say?
She forgot her Musical.ly name.
I will tell you guys when I get it.
I'm a pineapple. I'm gonna grab the chicken. I'm hungry. I haven't seen the TV in a long time.
Hey, no.
Okay. It's in one of my channels. I do vlogs. I just forgot what my other channel. What? Did you see that? Someone just said they want to die.
What?
Someone said I actually want to die. And go follow us on Facebook.
Yeah.
Mine's Maya Hartwick, and Eliza's is MimiPop303. That's their movie star planet name. But
Yeah. Okay. Oh, Renee Smith 84.
why can't you use your tablet to make movie star planet?
Because I was filming it. You can have your phone back. I'm not filming anymore.
I just forgot my channel, so I'm using both of our channels. We can do videos alone or with each other.
But usually click.
Mhm.
Hi guys! Do you see me? Probably not.
Okay.
Bye. I'm gonna fall.
We got 10 more minutes.
Oh.
That's how I actually want to end the video. Okay. Okay. Go follow. What do you mean?
Well, she's a door.
On Musical.ly?
Oh, Renee Smith.
Renee Smith?
81. Renee Smith 81, but it's actually
That's the
Eliza
last.
Yates.
That's the last thing. It's the name of someone who egged my house, and someone who stole from me on Christmas. Smith.
Yeah, Renee Smith lives in Belleville.
Okay, we're gonna end it here because there's nothing here.
We want to do some music leads.
Oh yeah, don't forget to hit that like and press that subscribe button.
On all of them.
Bye!